clean the phone screen. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet.
Remember the days we were young.
Place the cut over the phone.
Basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing.
Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the marked sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Remove the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners.
We were young, wild and free, basic getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love,
The bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours.